Hey guys, it's Erica. So right now the nursery I'm at is the Sunset Nursery, and pretty much I might buy plants if they're good. Yeah, here we go. Okay, so I'm pretty sure this is the indoor plant section of this nursery. Ooh, here's some air plants. Here we have a Banto Sensation 2-gallon pot. How much are you, little plant? This one, oh my gosh, is $49.99. There are some moonshines over here. This one is $12.99. I got like kind of this size, a little bit smaller from Walmart for $7. So these aren't really that healthy. They're kind of yellowing, and I think they're getting too much sun. I'm not sure. Here is a giant Fiddle Leaf Fig. This is huge, and it is for $699.99. So yep, there's that. And then also there's the string of hearts. I have it here because I'm getting it, and it's $24.99. It's really long, and it's a really deep purple, which is pretty cool. I don't think I've seen that before. I think this one is a TriStar or something like that. I don't know the price. It's kind of not easy to find. Monsteras. This is a really big pot. I don't know if you can see how big this pot it's in is, but it's huge. And this plant is $149.99. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh, here's another one. It's in a 15-gallon pot. Oh my gosh. I didn't even know that they needed pots this big. There's another one right here, and look. This is crazy. Look at this leaf. This is how I want mine to be. Oh my gosh, I just split that. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry, little plant. And then, oh my gosh, this is a red Congo. And how much are you? I don't know, but it's in a 10-inch pot. And this is why I can't buy one yet, because look how big it is. It's so big, and I feel like they're gonna grow really fast. What the heck? Is this plant for sale? Is this plant for sale? Look at these leaves. I don't think this plant is for sale. I think this is just their... Oh no, it is. It's $749.98. Oh my gosh. It's really big, and its leaves are still unfurling. Wow, that's crazy. That's crazy. Okay, moving on. Here are their hanging plants. They have these rickrack. I think they're also called fishbone cacti. And this one is $29.99. But there's one over here. And this, oh no, this one's, wait, what? It says $14.99 up here, but it says $29.99 right here. What am I supposed to believe? Do you think they'll sell it to me for $14.99? Because why does it have that sticker? But all of the other ones say $29.99. Okay, anyways, I really want to buy one, but for $30, just no. And then they have these. Oops. Okay, I'm gonna keep moving on. String of pearls for $29.99. This big guy. Just the usual hanging plants. An orchid cactus here for $19.99. Here are a bunch of string of hearts for $24.99. And I don't remember how much they were at the other nursery that I went to, but I think they might have been cheaper, and the other ones were bigger, because these are barely peeping over the edge, but they grow really fast too. It's really hot, and there are so many people in there. It's just It's just way too uncomfortable to film anything. But there's a little plant ready to go, be hanged, be hung up. It's Saturday, so it was kind of a big mistake to choose this day out of all days to come. I might just try again on Monday. Okay, so I'm back at Sunset Nursery, and I'm gonna continue the nursery tours from today because yesterday was just way too busy. So this is inside the little greenhouse, and here you can see there's a bunch of pothos and philodendrons for $4.99, and you can see they have Scindapsus. And up here you can see the philodendron Rio that I've been wanting, but like I've been saying, this is too big of a pot for me. Maybe I should just buy and split it up. But how much are you? $14.99. Some lemon limes up here, and these monsteras for $49.99, which is very expensive. Oh my gosh, like go to Home Depot and they have these size for like $25. These ones right here are $19.99, which I think is better, even though it's really small, because they grow really fast. So that's always something to keep in mind. Here are some crotons, and what is this? $34.99. This looks like a philodendron, but I don't know what philodendron this is. Pretty cool. Another one over here. Okay, and then this is a lowrider. Alocasia for $14.99. Yeah. What is this one for $14.99? I don't know what this is, but it looks really cute. Pachyrus stump for $24.99. Okay. Oh my gosh, here's some Hoya obovatas. I don't think I would recommend buying one like this for $6.99. I think that's a little much. It doesn't even have a stem, and I think they grow slow, but you know, I killed mine, so what do I know? Okay, and this is, I think, a pubicalyx. This is a good little starter plant. I think if I saw this one, I would have bought this instead of my big one. This is $6.99. Some aglionemas, and how much are these? These are $9.99. Look at this cute pink one. We love pink plants. And then over here, what is this? Peperomia copperata emerald green. $6.99. And I'm pretty sure this is a bento sensation. And this one is $39.99. Wow, that's really, I think that's a lot. Oh my gosh. Okay. Some more up here, cylindrica for $25. Okay. A bunch of snake plants here. And then over here, look at these cute little Fiddle Leaf Figs. This is adorable. Oh my gosh. If you can't afford a big one, maybe just buy one of these like little ones. They're so cute. Ficus elasticus. This is so tiny. Oh my gosh. Peperomia rosso. Oh, I think this is an orba. I'm not sure, but and there's a little goldfish plant here, and I kind of want to get it because look at those little leaves. This is so adorable. Oh, these are really pretty. I love pink syngoniums. Marantas, curly lipstick plants. Baby plants are so cute. I love starter plants. Alright, I guess that's it for the $4.99 table. Dracaenas. You see these crotons. This is really pretty. I kind of want one of these. Oh my gosh, okay. And then over here, $3.99 for 2-inch houseplants. Ivy. Yep, just ivy. Some little Sansevierias down here. These are $6.99. These bigger ones are $9.99. Oh, some of them are $6.99. Okay. This is, I'm pretty sure this is like a purple. No. Yeah, it is a purple waffle. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Here we have the calatheas for $9.99. These are just, I'm pretty sure you can find bigger ones like this at, even at a grocery store. They have these, but definitely at Lowe's or Home Depot or something. Here's some bigger goldfish plants. These are $14.99. Okay. Alright, over here in this corner, there are some philodendron congos. These are $14.99. This is just the regular green one. Some Dieffenbachias, okay. And then this is a red congo here. This is $14.99. At Green Thumb, they have them for like $10 for like the same size. Maybe even a little healthier looking. Some more calatheas. Marantas. This is so beautiful. So beautiful for $14.99. Look at that. It's huge. Oh my gosh. Some more aglaonemas. These are $19.99. And then jungle velvet. $19.99. You can get this cheaper at even a grocery store. Like, I'm not trying to trash talk this place, but you know what I'm saying? Alright. Maidenhair ferns. This is a variegated lipstick plant. So pretty and ginormous though. What the heck? How much is this? I don't know. Okay, this is the last section. There's another pagoda pagoda lipstick plants and black pagoda. What is this? $34.99. Oh, it's really big. So you see where the price comes from. $34.99 for a Dracaena. Wow, but it's really pretty. There's that. Some more aglaonemas. Really nice looking plants. We love Chinese evergreens. And then over here on this side, we have a alocasia. I always forget the name, but it's an African mask plant. This is $19.99. Oh, it's an alocasia poly. You can go to a grocery store or Home Depot and get that plant for like $10. Zebra plant, $14.99. And this is a really big $14.99. Oh my gosh, for a, what is this, Peperomia obtusifolia? I think that's pretty much it. Peperomia. $14.99. In the back section over here, we got a bunch of big plants. So I'm expecting these to be expensive. Expensive. $59.99. Wow. Okay. This is not the section we want to be in right now. This is also $59.99. And then I'm pretty sure these are Celluum. I have no idea. This one might be a $34.99. A I can't remember what it's called. It's like a ruffle or something. But yeah, just a lot of big plants over here. Let's see this size. This size tree, Fiddle Leaf, is a $59.99. But it's really full. It's really pretty. If you want a big Fiddle Leaf Fig, you're gonna have to dish out the money because they don't go for cheap. Yep, that's it for this indoor nursery. Yeah, pretty nice. A little bit expensive, but yeah.